Hello. Greetings from the other side of the planet. I thought I'd better hurry up and turn this in before I'm accused of getting lazy. I was very, very excited when I saw that the due date for this particular sprint had been pushed back a little bit because I had not figured out how to skin animals yet. And I also didn't do a super lovely job with these ones. But I think that's probably more to do with my mesh. It's the kind of thing we probably should have done once before we tried to do like a big project about it, but it's too late. It's too late now to change anything. But I actually, from the distance that I see it, it's not bad. Here, I'll show you. So, we've got the character and the enemy set up. So their animators are all running fine. We start out with our little cat cage that rumbles here, and then I hit control, and out comes my cat. He's got a backpack. Isn't that good? It is good. I like it. He's got a little jump there that he does, and a dash that he's got going on. Now behind me we have the dog, still, chasing me and stuff like that. That's good. And he's dead. So that's, what we're seeing is about as good as I had hoped it would ever get set up. I have a few more ideas that I'm going to integrate as I do some of the other things that need to take place, like sound effects and a dash counter to make it so that they don't, so that my cat can't just dash continuously. I wanted to keep it off so that I could sort of test stuff and not die, fairly quickly. But the dash length of time between recharges should be about as long as it takes for you to barely escape the dog with a dash, and then he can still catch you after that. So if you're out of dashes, you're waiting desperately for one of them to charge up, then yeah, you will still lose if you've gotten greedy and used the dashes at every opportunity to unlock these cages. The only other thing that I can think of to do that involves animation is at some point I'd like, when you pop these cages open, for there to be a random cat to pop out and then run towards the screen. And what'll basically happen is it'll fall off the level or whatever and then be destroyed. But when you pop the cat cage open, it'll keep track of your stuff in the HUD. So, yeah, the obviously with the animation, there's a little bit to be desired. I kind of have been up for the last 16 hours, and 14 of it was reskinning the cat over and over and over again. So, but, all this stuff is good. It looks great. Anyways. Okay. Well, I hope you guys are having a good time back there. I have no idea who will watch this video besides Marty, but if the whole class is watching it, hello. I have game. It will be more done later. For now, I need sleep. So, see you later, guys.